Hiccups happen when my diaphragm, that muscle separating my chest from my abdomen, contracts involuntarily. It's like my body's little surprise party. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of my vocal cords, creating that classic hic sound. Common causes? Eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement can trigger them. To stop hiccups, I've tried holding my breath, sipping water slowly, or even swallowing a spoonful of sugar. It's all about finding what works for me.